Let us see the next kind of noun, which is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Noun that cannot be identified from any of the senses. Which senses? You all very well know that eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are our five sensory organs through which we can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch something or someone. So, the nouns which cannot be seen through our eyes, which cannot be heard, which can't be smelt, which can't be tested, and which can't be touched are considered as abstract nouns. If you think of an example, pen, can you see it? Yes. Can you touch it? Yes. So, if any of the given senses working for that noun may not be abstract noun. So, what is that? We must find or we must check for all these senses for the given noun. Let us see with the help of example. Before that, keep in mind whatever nouns are there under the title abstract noun, we just feel them. So here we go with the examples of the abstract nouns. The first, happiness. Let's come back to the senses. Happiness. Can you see it? You may say, yes, I can. I have seen on my friend's face, right? So whatever you have seen, that is the expression of your friend and not that happiness you are seeing or seen. Whatever you might have here, if you think of the next sense, so that is the voice of that person. Smell, taste, touch. If you think of these other senses also, you will find that happiness cannot be identified by any of these organs or senses. So, happiness is the first example of abstract noun. Next example, love. It is also can't be seen, can't be heard, can't be smelt, can't be touched, or can't be tested. Just we feel it. So that I have written these two words in capital letters. So keep in mind, whenever you think of abstract noun, you must think of these two words. What are those? Just feel it or just feel. And also, you must come back to the senses, see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. If any of these senses working in that noun, definitely that won't be an abstract noun. So if no one is working or none of these senses working at that time, it is just felt, and then only we can say it is the example of abstract noun. Let us see the third example, which is that freedom. So freedom is also felt only. Next is wisdom. Next is justice. These are the 5 examples I have provided here, and you can write much more. So I hope you all will understand the concept of abstract noun through these provided information. Remember, you have to think of the 5 senses. If any of the sense is working for that noun, remember it can't be an abstract noun. So This is all about today's session. If you find any difficulty, ask me while our session is going on.